Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
We're back with some breaking inputs coming in. Bhojpuri stars and Bihar battle. Pawan Singh is making political waves in Bihar as speculations are growing about his possible return to the NDA fold. Amidst all that, he's met Home Minister Amit Shah. He also met BJP National General Secretary. And all these high-profile meetings happening at the moment. Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Looks like patch-ups are happening. Pawan Singh has already met Upendra Kushwaha and now he's met Home Minister Amit Shah. When will the announcement happen, or is this the announcement itself?
Well, one thing that BJP leaders are making it clear that Pawan Singh, who was expelled from the party, in fact is back in the party and is going to be in the party. That would mean even if he is out to mend fences, even with the likes of Upendra Kushwaha, against whom in fact he had fought Lok Sabha election and other elections as well from Karakat, he is out to mend fences definitely, and he may be looking for a ticket in Bihar Assembly polls, and this is exactly the reason why he is meeting Mr. Amit Shah and also Mr. JP Nadda, who is BJP president. Having said that, the caste equation, Swati, is very important. In fact, this is the reason why he becomes so important for the BJP. It is also a signal to the Rajput and also to Kushwahas that everything is going well on front of both the caste and they should fight together. In fact, the pictures, the photographs of Mr. Pawan Singh hugging Mr. Kushwaha and also seeking blessings from him is also a messaging that BJP wanted to be out before the Bihar polls. Remember, this is the Shahabad region, Magad region did not do well in 2024 Lok Sabha election, and even in 2020 Assembly election there were not great results for the BJP. They want to do well in these regions, and there are 48 Assembly seats. So this is the reason why they wanted that Rajput and Kushwaha, who fought against each other, did not give vote to each other in the last Lok Sabha election. They want that they should be together, they should be seen together and voting for the NDA. And this is exactly the reason why Pawan Singh's return become very important. The messaging is very important ahead of polls, and this is the reason why the top leadership is also meeting Pawan Singh today.
Absolutely. You're right that the dispute between Pawan Singh and Kushwaha did cost the Bharatiya Janata Party, the NDA, those seats that they lost to the Mahagathbandhan candidate. Ironing out the difference was extremely important for the Shahabad Magad region. This will give a massive boost in this region to the NDA.
Absolutely, and this is the reason why these pictures are very important. In fact, BJP wanted them to be seen together, and in fact this is the reason why those pictures were put out. And in fact the meeting went very amicable, and in fact ever since Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Minister, who has been made an election in charge, he has been strategizing to ensure that Bihar is won with a fair, good margin, and the reasons why they did not perform well in few regions has also been identified. And in fact there is going to be a meeting of the state executive soon, probably on October 4 and 5, to ensure to work on the seats coalition and also who is going to contest which seat. But having said that, this is very important for them to show that the factors against which they lost the elections, those factors should be addressed ahead of this meeting, and they should not lose because there were wrong perceptions, and because the messaging was wrong on part of one caste or the other.
Now Pawan Singh comes from the Rajput community. He has a massive fan base. The BJP definitely would want to encash that, and we've seen what happened during the last assembly election, the Lok Sabha elections as well, the kind of performance in this particular region. So the focus of course was on ironing out differences. Thank you very much, Pragya. We have more breaking inputs on the broadcast.